I'll guide you through how to reset Apple TV password without an iPhone, focusing on the quickest ways to regain access using your Mac or a web browser. If you're looking to regain access to a streaming service on your Apple TV, or you want to secure your account after a potential breach, and so you need to set a new Apple ID password, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. If you have a Mac signed into your Apple account, this is the fastest way to reset your password and avoid the security delay. Your Mac acts as a trusted device, verifying your identity instantly, allowing you to bypass the need for your old Apple ID password. Here's how. On your Mac, go to the Apple menu, click System Settings or System Preferences. Click Your Name, then click Sign In and Security and change password. You'll be prompted to enter your Mac's login password. This step verifies your identity instantly, allowing you to bypass the need for your old Apple ID password. Enter and confirm your new Apple ID password, then click Change to finalize the update. If you don't have a trusted device or you're already locked out, you must use Apple's official recovery website. Go to iforgot.apple.com in any web browser and enter your Apple ID. If the system detects that any of your trusted devices are merely nearby, it will attempt to send a verification notification to them for faster approval. If that fails, the website guides you into account recovery. This is necessary when Apple needs time to verify your identity without the help of a logged-in device. You will receive an email confirmation that account recovery has started. This email will usually include an estimated date and time when the process will complete. You will then receive the final instructions, usually a new email or a text message with a link, at the end of the security waiting period that lets you create your new password. This delay ensures no unauthorized person can quickly access your account. Once the delay is over, you will receive the final instructions to set your new password and successfully reset your Apple TV password. Now that you've learned how to reset Apple TV password without an iPhone, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more Apple video tutorials. Thanks for watching.